Here I have the starter Honda Accord 2003 Honda Accord. The car is not starting, so I suspected it will probably be the starter. So I brought it out. Some persons have helped me to change the brushes, and I just want to show how quickly you can test your starter. If for any reason you have any suspicion that the reason why your car is not cranking is because of the starter, just before you take it for repairs, if you can do the repairs yourself, beautiful. But if you can, this is just a quick test you can carry out to confirm that the starter itself is the issue why your car is not cranking. There are basically two terminals for wiring. This is the main terminal, and then we have the solenoid power area. In some other models of starter, you'll find a solenoid right on top, but in this case it is integrated into the main starter. So quickly you can just get two wires, connect one to the solenoid terminal and another to the main terminal on the main power line on the inverter. The main terminal line on the starter. The body of the starter acts as the ground or the negative terminal. So for me, I just got two wires. I've connected one to the solenoid side and the other to the main power terminal of the starter. And quickly, I have a 12 volts battery terminal, 12 volts battery. This is the negative terminal. Here is the positive terminal. So on this starter, both lines, both the solenoid power line and the main supply line, all of them will be connected to the positive terminal, while the negative terminal of the battery will now be if you have another means of connect, you can connect the body of the starter to the negative terminal, and then these other two terminals to the positive terminal. And if it revolves, if you see revolution, if it revolves, if it's working, you know that the reason why your car is not cranking is not the starter. So quickly, this is how I carried out my test.